Amir, I wouldn't ask this question of anyone else, but I'd like to know what you think really. You know, we go into a collective gasp over a film like Inception. It's a film that challenges its audience. It's a film that almost forces you to keep up with the film. In contrary, Bollywood tends to dumb down, to reach out. Words like mindless entertainers, phrases like you have to leave your brains behind when you go to watch this film are very commonly used. Will we ever make a film like Inception?
First of all, I want to say that I think Hollywood is far ahead of the rest of the world. Certainly India. Let me not comment about the rest of the world, but
Sure.
I think that Hollywood is far ahead of India in its ability to tell stories well. And in its freedom to pick topics which are bizarre sometimes, and unimaginable topics is what they pick up.
Right.
Dream within a dream within a dream.
True.
And how to convey that and connect with people and make them believe that this is
Right.
actually happening. So this fantasy of larger than life storytelling is something that I believe Hollywood does really well.
Sure.
I think technically and even in their headspace, they're far ahead of us. They're able to do things that they're able to do anything that they imagine.
Right.
And we are not able to imagine only.
Correct.
So first we have to imagine, we have to be free enough to imagine things
Right.
which are amazing and which are, and then we can try and get there to execute it.
Sure.
So when I watch films like Inception, or you watch a film like, so many of them, that you feel that, wow, I really as an audience sit back and I say, we have a long way to go before we catch up with them.
Sure.
That's the truth, that's what I believe. So having said that, I also believe that you must understand that we, in our circumstances, are making films for our audiences. And that is also a truth.
Right.
I would also want to say that there are a lot of films made in Hollywood which are also dumbed down.
Of course, yes.
And they are, for,
Yes.
so that happens everywhere. I
Right.
think that's there true in Hollywood, that's true over here as well.
Sure.
And the fact is that at the end of the day, we have a large and healthy audience of our own.
Right.
And our primary responsibility and our excitement, at least mine, emotionally as well, is to reach out to that audience.
Right.
So that's what I enjoy doing. And within that, I think that, let me not speak about others, but within that, I think when I come across topics which are challenging, at least in our circumstances, I think
Right.
a film like Peepli Live, or a film like Dhobi Ghat, or a film like Tare Zameen Par are not your general fare of
Sure.
mainstream cinema. Lagan wasn't. So all of these films, Rang De, in its screenplay, it jumps,
Right,
back
in
and forth
format,
in time.
absolutely, yes.
It's not linear in its storytelling. A lot of people before the release said, will people understand, So all of that happened, but I think that we are taking baby steps towards that. But the key to that, I think, is that we need to be more free as
Right.
creative people in our heads to imagine, it's like that sher of, I forget the poet's name here. He's a Hindi poet. Anyway, his sher is ke, कौन कहता है कि आसमान में छेद नहीं हो सकता, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछाल के देखो यारो. So feel free to imagine and aim higher than you imagine that people imagine that you can. That is one. And two, I think that we don't give enough value to our writing. We don't give enough value to our writers.
Sure.
And I think that's a big thing that we need to look at as a film industry. We need to give much more value in every way.
Okay.
Emotionally, creatively, and economically.
Sure.
We need to give much more value to our writers and to the craft of writing
Okay.
for us to really have great scripts being written. And, I believe that.
Okay.